What's up everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today, it's gonna be hopefully a quick one. The Subaru got a check engine light and I'm pretty mad about it. But it is what it is. So today, hopefully, I can fix the issue. So a couple days ago, got a check engine light. It was for, I got check engine lights in different intervals, but I think the main source is the O2 sensor. So I took pictures of it. I'll put the pictures right here. The first code was a P2270 and P0137. So both of those relate to O2 sensor, bank 1 sensor too. So I bought a O2 sensor for that, and today I'm going to change it. And I haven't seen a lot of videos online to show you how to change it, like in depth, so to say, but hopefully we can learn together and I don't fuck up. So hopefully it solves the problem. Let's do this. All right, so I'm told, or when I was reading some forums, the O2 sensor is somewhere down there, bank 1 sensor 2, and it has a green connector. Over there is black, so that's the air fuel run. And I'm pretty sure it's post cat, if I remember correctly. So it looks like it might be easier to just go under the car. Okay, so I'm under the car now. The front of the car is this way. And to remove the O2, you gotta take off the plastic trim right here. This one right here. Sorry, it's kind of dark for that one. So, when I was investigating to find where the O2 sensor is, it's right there. That's the secondary one. Looks simple enough. Just have to remove this tray. And then the sensor's right on top of this J-pipe, I think it's called. The J-pipe right here. Sorry. Oh, right there. Whatever. Well, further investigation. Boom, you see that? That's my ground strap and it's ripped. So, that is probably the reason why my car kept throwing a low voltage, because there is no voltage. So, I'm gonna have to replace that. I'm gonna go buy a new ground strap, WD all these bolts up here, and get back to work tomorrow. Okay, so it is the next day. There is the O2 sensor. So the car O2 sensors are right there. And I just got a wrench on it, and it is a 22 mil. So I'm not gonna record me trying to struggle taking this out, but I'm gonna try to struggle and take this out. Okay, I'm back. You would not believe how long that took me. But the O2 sensor is out. I used a box wrench, a ton of WD-40, and I even used some fire from a torch. And I was about to give up, but I got it. See if we can hold it like this. There we go. Well, it twists with the wrench, just believe me. So I'm gonna take out the O2 sensor now and then replace it. Thank God. Don't give up. I was using this wrench, big ass wrench, and just a rubber mallet. Oops. I just kept doing it until I got it. But be careful not to strip the threads. Okay, so here's the old O2 sensor. It's pretty dark. Well, you know what? I'm not even sure if it's like bad or good, because O2 sensors take a lot of shit, but there's a lot of black on it. But yeah, there was a lot of debris. I don't know if you can hear that. Go focus. There we go. Yeah, a lot of like rocks and stuff. And I'm so stupid. I sprayed the WD-40 on top, and it looked kind of sealed. And then later on, I tried to spray underneath the this desk or washer, I guess. But yeah, be careful when you're doing this, because I almost stripped. Well, you know what? I definitely stripped the thing. Yeah, so be careful when you do that. A lot of heat, a lot of hammering. Honestly, I was very close to just buying the tool for it and just calling it quits, but it was like $26. So just keep trying, and then eventually you'll get it. Okay, this is the new O2 sensor. Very clean, green connector. So when you are installing the new O2 sensor, make sure no oil gets on the sensor. It could mess up the readings. And so I got a OEM DENSO one, and it came with the copper anti-seize. Put it on the threads, but do not put so much, just put enough. It will be lightly, you know, on. Oh, make sure the anti-seize doesn't get on the sensor as well. Okay, the new O2 sensor is installed. When you were installing it, make sure the wire isn't twisted, because I've heard that these wires are actually very delicate. Just tighten it with the wrench, same wrench you use, snug, plug it back into the connector, and that's it. That's how you install a Bank 1 Sensor 2 O2 sensor on a Subaru WRX. Hopefully this fixes the problem. Check engine light I've been having. I'll be updating. Well, I'll put it in the video. See within a week or two. See how if it changed. If it fixed the check engine light. Okay, so it's been about a week and a half since I installed the O2 sensor, and everything's fine. No light came on, and the car's been running really good. So there you go, that's how you fix your problem. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll try my best to answer them. Peace.